It's November 12th, and this is the second in a series of arraignments following mass arrests of civil disobedience within We Are Seneca Lake. Tonight was a very short proceeding. These two, my two co-defendants here, appeared before Judge Norman, who is the second judge, along with Judge Barry here in the town of Reading. And what we heard Judge Norman say was, he called the gentleman forward and said, I have a conflict of interest because I work at Crestwood. That's his day job. And so therefore, these folks were very kind of summarily ordered to appear next week before the other judge, Judge Barry. Which we know is going to be an enormous circus, because 7 of us, because we had messed up charges, were ordered to reappear already next week before Judge Barry. Other people who have pled not guilty are also appearing next week. So this will be a very crowded place in a week, and we expect there will be people going to jail. But it's clear that we're having a hard time finding justice in the town of Reading. Not only because we have one judge who actually works for the company that we're trying to shut down and prevent an expansion, but also because we have, some of us have had no answer from the district attorney, who is AWOL. We have these charges that are contradictory. The judge refuses to sentence us on the basis of the 2 charges. The district attorney will not answer his voicemail and will not give us a plea bargain in order to move forward. So whether we want to pay our fines, go to jail, plead not guilty, so far no one has been able to do that. So we have lots of people arrested and no answers so far. So this is Kenneth Fogarty.
All wind up and no delivery.
Right. So this is Kenneth Fogarty, age 75. He was arrested on his 75th birthday.
Yeah.
And this here is Bob Henrie, who is 88 years old.
Yeah.
As he reminded me, that's the same number of the keys on a piano.
Oh.
Let's hear
So
from you
when
guys.
is your return date? Next week. What day did they give you? Do you know that?
Next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday again?
Except me, I'm sending them a letter and telling them when I'm coming back.
Good for you, Bob.
Well, Bob lives 60 miles away or more,
Yes.
and is facing surgery, and so, you know, as they say, justice delayed is no justice at all, so
No due process.
we'll fight that.
All right. Okay.
But the campaign goes on. This is just the beginning.
Yeah, well, I'm 2.5 hour drive from here, so as disappointing as it is to have the judge give me 20 seconds and then say come back next week, but yeah, good. It's always a pleasure to come over to this area and to work with our friends, our newfound friends. Some of them are newfound, and it's a beautiful area, and each time you drive through it, you get more and more inspiration to stop this madness to destroy this area.
Yeah.
Well, what would I like to say? Well, all I need to say is that this is definitely something that is going to move ahead. It's the upside of this mess is that it's bringing people together who need to be brought together. People from the Finger Lakes region need to understand that we're together. We're a people, if you like, and that's what we're going to discover we are by engaging in this tribulation, I guess. It's a good biblical term, tribulation.
And exactly what you said. I said, you know, I have met some really beautiful people in this fight, and I never would have met them. So that's the only good thing I can think about. We're winning, and we will win. And there's no question of that in my mind.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.